Fixing a Ryobi 40V jet fan blower that dies unexpectedly requires resetting the battery management system and cleaning the oxidized terminal contacts. When the blower cuts out after a few seconds of use, the internal safety mechanism is falsely triggering a voltage drop. The first step is addressing the metal connection points on both the battery and the blower housing. Carbon buildup and oxidation create high resistance, trickling the system into thinking the battery is dead. Use a fine grit sandpaper or a small wire brush to gently scrape the metal prongs inside the blower and the corresponding slots on the battery until the metal is shiny. Wipe away any leftover metal dust with a microfiber cloth and a small amount of isopropyl alcohol. Moisture and debris trapped in these slots are the leading cause of sudden power shutoffs under heavy load. Ensure the area is completely dry before moving to the reset phase. To reset the battery management system, press and hold the battery level indicator button for exactly 10 seconds. The LED lights will flash, indicating the internal memory has cleared any false thermal or voltage faults. Place the battery on the official 40V charger until it indicates a full, steady green charge. Slide the fully charged battery back into the jet fan blower until it clicks firmly into place. Engage the variable speed trigger slowly to let the motor draw power evenly. The blower will now sustain full power without unexpected cutouts.